Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's forecast. If you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. Again, today's forecast is very important. I have a lot to cover, so make sure to watch it till the end. Now, last week, most of you know that I was traveling. To be very honest with you, I was actually adding one more property to my portfolio in Dubai, and we have actually a big team in working in real estate in Dubai. This is actually something not important here, but just to let you know, once you join WW Pro, you will have actually all the info regarding that, if you're interested in investing in real estate in Dubai. Now, you all know that we never leave you behind, yeah? That's why last week we have actually posted this one on our YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube, We Trade Waves, make sure guys again to subscribe to not miss any update, tip or move, and you scroll down, you will see this one. This is actually the Sunday session recording. The Sunday sessions actually are guys for WW Pro members, okay? And we have posted the recording here just for you to know how actually much the Sunday sessions important. And if you go to this one, you can see this actually 2 hours and 10 minutes. This is what we cover inside the Sunday sessions, and I really hope all of you who were able to watch it, you have enjoyed it, and you have actually you have an idea now what we cover during the Sunday sessions. All of this, guys, is a very important session as usual. It's the Sunday sessions live every Sunday for WW Pro members, and this actually conducted every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time. All right, so again, this is actually an example. This is actually a recording for you here on our YouTube channel, public. You can go to We Trade Waves, you can scroll down and watch it here. It's called WW or We Trade Waves Sunday live session recording. I'm repeating, those of you who actually were not able to watch it, go guys and watch it one more time, because this one will give you pretty much actually the idea regarding what we cover, what are the pairs, what we cover at the start and the middle, how we cover the pairs, because every Sunday session, guys, is actually gold in terms of what we cover. Again, WW Pro members, they know what I'm talking about regarding the importance of the Sunday session, and on top of that, we have the Wednesday update as well conducted by T. So Sunday session and Wednesday sessions are conducted by T, and on top of that, we have the daily sessions conducted by our seniors. So again, before I start covering all this, guys, I want to mention a few things here because they are important, okay? Number one, next week we have actually US elections, so market will be volatile. There is no question about that. Plus, if you go to the Forex Factory, you see here actually how many news events we have, and they are very important. As example, we have the Aussie rates. We have again on Tuesday, as you can see, Tuesday, November 5, we have the US elections, and of course, after the US elections, we need 24 to 48 hours to get actually the official results. Okay. Of course, we have New Zealand unemployment rate. We have pound as well rates here. It's here on Thursday, as you can see. We have also the Fed on Thursday. And if you scroll down, also we have the CAD unemployment rate. So next week, we have actually, again, the US elections. And we have a lot of news that will affect the markets. So whatever I cover today, it will be, of course, some of the pairs I cover for you in detail, especially DXY. And plus, regarding actually the other pairs, I will cover this one from now till Wednesday. So make sure, guys, to follow the day live sessions for WW Pro members. Plus, the Wednesday update will be very important, very critical before the next moves. So the Wednesday update will be regarding the elections, plus election results, plus the Wednesday, actually all the news after Wednesday. So again, just to give you a hint how you will trade for this week, make sure, guys, as soon as you make profits, take it. So in other means, make sure to trade, to go for the scalping trading style, okay? Why is that? Because again, market will be volatile. No question, make sure to not lose your account. That's actually regarding the elections, regarding the news events for next week. And all of this anyway will be covered in detail during the Sunday session that will be conducted tomorrow for WW Pro members by T at 12 p.m. UK time. Now, those of you who don't know actually regarding our program or what we cover or what we do, you can simply go to our website, which is this one here, wetradewaves.com. And once you go here, the link is in the description under this video and also in the first comment. Guys, it's very important to cover this at the start so I can cover the pairs after that, okay? Again, make sure to keep watching till the end. I have a lot of things to cover which are very important, okay? Do not skip any of the parts of the video. And if you can like and comment after you finish, that will be appreciated. So this is our website, wetradewaves.com. If you go here and you click Join WW Pro, you can go to this page here, and this is all what you will get. Okay, so WW Pro, guys, is the all-in-one solution if you are serious about becoming an independent, successful trader. If you want more info regarding that, you can of course check all the pages on the website, and you can go to the pricing page to see what we are covering here. All of this, guys, is actually all you need in order to become an independent, successful trader. It's all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. If you want to become an independent, successful trader, make money, make consistent profits, you have to join like-minded people, and you have to join the successful traders. We are the best actually community, the best trading community. This not actually, do not take it from me, or do not take my words for it. You can always go to our Trustpilot profile. You can go here, this our Trustpilot profile, and you can read all what our members are saying here. All right, so for this one, you can scroll down and read, because some of the stories, it might be exactly similar as yours, okay? Again, this is just a quick, I would say, overview about what we cover, what we do, because a lot of new members are subscribing to the channel, plus joining Weighted Waves. So for that, that's actually regarding what we'll cover next week. And once you join, guys, WW Pro, those of you are new, right? Again, guys, apologies for these 2-3 minutes at the start, because this is important. We are getting a lot of queries, what we covered inside the program. So as soon as you join WW Pro, you will get access to this dashboard, which everything is included here, right? So from the masterclass to the weekly live sessions as well. Regarding the weekly live session, guys, this is the masterclass, by the way, all right? All the chapters. So regarding the weekly live session, some of you were asking, if you were not able to attend live, you can always go to this one, scroll down, and this actually the recording archive. Okay, so this was last week, and this the week before, and so on and so forth. All of it. Now, the trades of the week, this actually the trades that are covered by T after every Sunday session. We post this on the dashboard, and this is the daily live sessions. Those of you who are asking us about the timings, this is the timings of the daily live sessions. It's here. Okay, you can read it, you can see it. And these sessions as well, you can join live. As well, you can get access to the recording if you are not able to attend live. Okay, these are the recordings here anyway. Plus, all what you can see in the dashboard to the right side, to the left side of the screen. Okay, so this is the dashboard that you will get access to, plus the community. At the moment, that most of you know that we are on Slack, and we are switching slowly to Discord. We will actually be fully functional on Discord in just a few weeks time, 2 to 3 weeks max. And this Discord is ready anyway. We started to shift some people here. We are doing some tests. So that's the Discord community. We'll be here anyway very soon. Again, this is a quick update for all of you regarding Weighted Waves, all right? Plus, regarding the trade setups that are covered by our seniors, look at this one. These are the last setups that were posted, and market actually have hit the target. This as example, pound CAD went to the upside. It was perfect setup posted by one of our seniors. Plus this one, which actually US oil to the upside. Once I go to US oil, guys, I'll go back to this one just to show you how this setup actually went to the target. And then after that, market started to fall, because this is very important, guys, to know how to take the trade, how to maximize profits when you are right, and how to minimize losses when you are wrong. Plus, your ability to get the edge, guys, is related to mastering Weighted Waves wave analysis concept. So once you master Weighted Waves wave analysis concept, you'll be able to get an edge in the market. And as I said before, edge actually means you will get a better win rate. You need an edge in order to trade correctly. You need an edge in order to make money in the market. And how to get that edge? You have to master Weighted Waves wave analysis concept. How to do that? By joining WW Pro. Do not waste, guys, more money. Do not waste more time. Join WW Pro and start investing in yourself. Because remember, the best investment you can ever make is to invest in yourself. There is nothing more and nothing less. Okay? Invest in yourself first. Learn how to trade correctly. And then after that, you can risk your money and make money. Look how our members actually are making money on a weekly basis. Look at these trades. These trades actually are shared to our members, WW Pro members, before the setup, of course. And you will get instant notification anyway once you join. All right? That's actually regarding overview. Those of you are serious about trading and wants to go to the next level. Again, a decision is yours. Make your research before you join us. So for this one, let's back to the charts and let's start with the XY. Like I said, on Tuesday, we have the US elections. And again, the deep, I would say, deep analysis regarding the elections, regarding who might win and who might not win. Regarding the fundamental part, this will be covered at the start of the Sunday session. But now, what I'll cover for you is the top-down analysis from a technical point of view, plus some historical actually analysis. Okay? So from technical point of view, this is the XY dollar index daily chart. The top-down analysis, I have done it before, but I'll repeat it once more since some of you actually are new to Weighted Waves. This is dollar index. I'll cover everything for now. This is dollar index weekly chart, okay, as you can see here. All right. So after that, what do we have here and what do we see technically? Again, those of you actually who have different point of view, weighted wave analysis concept, or what we do internally is combining technical analysis with fundamental analysis. You cannot actually count on one of them, okay? That's why I'm repeating, we have the Sunday sessions we focus first on the fundamental analysis, and after that, we cover all the pairs. So, from technical point of view, from weighted waves point of view, this was a bottom here, okay? After that, market went to the upside. We've got a corrective structure. We've got this up wave. You can call this one wave 3. It's the same actually. This is the wave 3 of this structure anyway. So if I change the color, we have up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up. Now after that, we've got a drop, corrective structure, drop. I want you guys to focus on here because this is very, very important to what might happen next, okay? I'll cover this shortly anyway. So we have wave 1. If you want to label, you can do that. Wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and here it's wave 5. In terms of the structure, in terms of the patterns, this is actually a contracting flat, okay? Again, this top analysis is for those who are new and for those who want to know a bit more about weighted waves concept. As you can see, these are the patterns inside the structure. Here we have an expanding flat and here we have a contracting flat. And this wave 5, no question regarding this, okay? After that, this wave is actually a wave of its own till now. All right, that's actually something special for weighted waves members. They know it once they join and start learning. So this actually the weekly chart for a dollar index, regardless of any elections, regardless of any Fed decision regarding the rates, technical analysis, this is what market is giving us from here to here. Okay. Of course, there is a big debate between technical traders and fundamental traders. Like technical traders, they say I can make money without fundamentals, and the fundamental traders, they can say you cannot predict the next wave without knowing fundamentals. That's true, because that's why we are combining both of them, okay? So for this, again, if you can see here, after that, we've got this drop, we've got this up wave, and the structure is in the making at the moment. Again, guys, what I'm covering is something actually pure technical, advanced technical part, and of course, we might be wrong. That's why I'm repeating, you have to follow us on a daily basis regarding the daily live sessions that our seniors are doing, and follow us for the updates on every Sunday and Wednesday. These sessions are for WW Pro members. Make sense? So for this one, we've got this up wave here, and the market is giving us some sort of corrective structure till now, and we are in this wave at the moment. I'll cover this once I go to lower time frames, but just to let you know, after this up wave, we have two scenarios. Either drop, corrective structure, drop, and this what we are expecting till now. This what we are expecting market to give us, regardless again of any US elections results. This what market will be doing, technically speaking, okay? Again, you might have different point of view. You go with your point of view. I don't mind actually, okay? But this what market will be giving us most probably. It's high probability chance move, all right? So this will be a corrective structure, and after that, one more drop before any next wave. This drop, how far it will go, when we will see the reaction, this is a different story. But for now, this what we can see market will be giving us based on the technical analysis. Now, if I go to the daily chart, just to show you one more thing and explain you about what to expect next after the elections. If you remember, we were having elections in 2020 and in 2016, all right? And this one, if you remember, Trump actually wins, and look what the market have done. Market went to the upside, and then after that, we started the drop to the downside. Here, we have a story behind that, guys, okay? Because we might repeat the same thing after this election, after Tuesday, okay? In terms of structure, in terms of market behavior, in terms of everything, we might be repeating the same thing. Here, at this point of time, this is actually where Trump wins. If Trump will win actually on Tuesday, we might expect the same behavior of the market structure. History does repeat itself, but market participants, all market participants, actually psychology will still, I'd say, will not change. In other means, wave analysis is actually the mass psychology of all market participants. And again, if we need to think about the policies, about actually how, what they'll be doing and all what will happen after, it will be the same thing, most probably like here. Okay, this in terms of the policies, in terms actually of politics, and in terms of all what might happen after the elections. So for that, if I need to count on this, we can expect market to push up and then start to fall. This up wave, in terms of the magnitude, I'll cover this shortly. But again, what we are expecting next after the elections is actually dollar to get stronger, and then after that, dollar to fall. Make sense, guys? Is that clear? So first of all, market to push to the upside, and then after that, we will get a drop. Again, in terms of magnitude, for this one, T will explain for you the levels in detail during the Sunday session. That's why I'm saying Sunday session is very, very important. Do not miss it. How to get access to it? Join WW Pro, guys, okay? Again, this actually regarding the logic behind this one. Also, I want you to focus on these 4 years, okay? So this was wave 4 during this cycle. This was the first election. This was when Joe Biden actually wins here. So look at this. All of this was actually some sort of pattern, technical pattern. It's a contracting flat, and most weighted waves, they know this pattern anyway. Again, regardless of the results, regardless of what they will be doing, market structure, I would say market will always follow structure regardless of the fundamental analysis. Of course, fundamental analysis causes volatility in the market, but market always follow a certain direction defined by a structure. What I'm saying, guys, is very important, and it's advanced. To know the details regarding this one, you have to master weighted waves concept. No question. Okay? So for this one, I'll put this again. So what we'll have Alan here at this point of the time. If I go to the 4 hours now for dollar and I zoom in, we are into this wave. Remember, this was wave 5 here. Okay? And after that, we've got this drop, we've got this up wave, drop. Here we have a regular flat, and this one. And this, again, the power of the fractal nature of the market. That's why once you understand the fractal nature of the market, everything will be actually clear for you, okay? What I'm doing, I'm trying to subdivide the waves for you so you know the fractal nature of the market. What I mean by the fractal nature of the market, usually market move within waves. It's actually waves within waves within wave. So that's why you can see a regular flat. I would say inside a regular flat, and the bigger one, which is this one here. Also, this regular flat is inside this bigger regular flat. This, guys, the fractal nature of the market. Again, here we have a small regular flat. I'll change the color so for you can see it. Here we have a regular flat, and I'll change to blue. Here we have a regular flat, this one. Plus, I'll change again to yellow so you can see the fractal nature of the market. Once you master this one, guys, again, all of this is covered in detail inside the program. Okay? So once you know this, you will understand which wave to trade, and you will understand actually. You will have actually a high win rate as well, because you will have a high probability chance. You will know where the market is going next with a high probability chance. Okay, it's all about probabilities, guys. Once you understand probabilities, you'll be able to make money trading the Forex market. Of course, it's one part only. So analysis, having an edge, knowing where the market is going next, it's called an edge actually, and this is one part. The second part actually is how to trade that move and how to maximize profits when the market goes in your direction, and how to minimize losses when the market goes against you. Now, the third part, which is very important, also it's covered inside the program, is the psychology part. So without having a strong mindset, without knowing the balance, without knowing your balance, in order to become independent, successful trader, you cannot do it. And what I can tell you guys, if we can do it, you can do it too. Again, I just said to you, I have added one more property to my portfolio in Dubai, investing in real estate. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Of course, it's from trading, okay? So that's the power of joining like-minded people and have a mentor, all right? Because again, you will not be going into all the problems and into all the difficulties, I would say, and into all the hassle in order to become successful. So the only shortcut for you to make consistent money trading the Forex market is actually joining like-minded successful community that we have. It's WW Pro community, plus having a mentor who have experience, who have actually a reputation, and who knows what he's talking about. How to do that? Do your due diligence. Search about us and search about the others. If you want to join anyone else, is entirely up to you. It's your decision. Again, we have a lot of people joining us, and if you'd like to do that, I suggest you to do it right now, because it's the start of the month, and also we have a lot of opportunities coming in very soon. Okay? So for that, in terms of the DXY, I think it's clear regarding the structure. So we have this up wave, this is the first wave of the next structure. Internally, we call this one A or W. Okay? So which is actually the first impulse of the next structure. After that, we've got a corrective structure, and now market is pushing to the upside. All right, Alan. What's next? What market can do? Like I said, I might be totally wrong, but based on the analysis, based on the historical analysis as well, we are expecting dollar to get strong first and then the fall to come. Okay, so this might be the US elections results, and this might be the Fed, the rate actually announcement. Okay, so for this one, again, the details regarding the structure will be covered by T during the Sunday session, but just I'm giving you the bias, I'm giving you the direction. Also, the top-down analysis for this one. Now, all right, Alan, perfect. Can you please give us more details regarding this one, like what you are expecting next for dollar index for dollar? I'll give you this one again because, again, last week actually I was not here. So if I give you a bit more, that's totally fine. Even it will be not fair if I explain more than that for WW Pro members. Okay. So again, please guys, take as much as you can from what I'm explaining and try to implement it and take notes regarding that. Okay. So for this wave, this is the first wave. The next structure, it can stop here and then start to drop to the downside, or it can go all the way up. I'll change the color to red, all the way up to break this top, and then after that, the fall to come. In all the cases, first thing first, up wave and then drop. So, Alan, what you can see here, why this level and why this level? Because here, this might simply be a contracting flat and market will drop to break this low once more. I can see market breaking this low, guys, again, sooner or later, okay? Or this might be a regular flat and the market will drop to break this low once more. All right, Alan. What should we do here? Like, how can I trade this? That's why, guys, you need to join to get our strategies to know how to trade this one and how to make money. Also, the setup will be shared by T plus by the seniors on the daily basis. So again, you can trade this up wave if you'd like to. And if you get a sell setup from here, of course, after Wednesday update, you can go for the sell setup to go for this drop here. That's what I'm expecting next for the XY. Again, the details regarding regular flat and contracting flat, this is something we cover internally, how to differentiate, how to know if the market will give you a contracting flat or a regular flat. In all the cases, the max that market can go with, that I can see, it will be 110. That's the max. So if market go to 110, you should look for sell setups. Okay, again, that's the max in terms to the upside. And above this top, the regular flat will be completed. So anywhere between this top and between 110, if you get a sell setup and if all the structure are completed, you should go for the sell setup. Make sense, guys? This is what we will do. Again, of course, the structure can change. And I'm repeating, I can be wrong. But if we are right, we know how to maximize profits. And if we are wrong, we know how to minimize losses. Either we will not be in or we will lose small. All of this system, guys, is covered inside WW Pro. So do not waste this opportunity. Join, learn how to trade correctly so you can make consistent profits after a few months. All right? So that's regarding the XY. Euro dollar for this one, market actually went to the downside and we are getting a corrective structure. Based on this structure, we can get a correction here, and as long as the market is respecting this top, we are ready to drop to the downside to break this low once more. So technically speaking, if market will respect this top, we'll be going to the downside to break this low, and then after this break, we will look for the buy setups, depend on the fundamental analysis, and of course, depending on the US elections results. Okay, so for this one, for now, if you ask me personally, sell setup is what we'll be looking for you dollar as a scalping trade for the first wave. Okay, pound dollar for this one, we have the rates, remember, next week. So for this one, we can get anyway corrective structure on push up and then a drop before the next up wave. Okay, so for pound dollar, I'll be focusing on the sell setups first before the next up wave. Okay, again, this is a downtrend and market is falling. If we get a corrective structure, you can go for a trend continuation pattern for this one and trend continuation trade. Gold for this one, this was again perfect, crazy as usual. Guys, during the Sunday sessions, we are covering a lot of trade setups as well. And the trades of the week, most of you know them last week, EURUSD, New Zealand CAD, New Zealand yen. If I go to this one, I can show you before I go to gold, by the way, yeah? So if I go to here, and I go to trades of the week, look at this. We're having actually New Zealand CAD to the upside, market is still here, pushing to the upside, New Zealand yen as well to the upside, and EURUSD to the upside, plus the silver. Okay, so if you go, these are the setups that you will get access to. Most of them actually are in profits. One actually have hit the target, IB EURUSD to the upside, have hit the target, and the rest structure is still in the making. It will go in the direction anyway, and the update will be given by T during the Sunday session. Okay, so for this one, If I again go to gold, market is pushing to the upside. This is the daily chart. Okay, gold is pushing up hard. And most of you know regarding the war, once we have uncertainty, most people will be going to buy gold, physical gold. Okay, so if you are an investor and you have invested in gold, you should have made a lot of money. All right. Now, in terms of trading, market is trending to the upside and we are almost at all-time high. What should we do here? If we go to the 4 hours, market have actually gave us this corrective structure, which was perfect, clear. And after that, we've got this up wave. Corrective structure up, and then we've got this trap. This might be the start of a big corrective structure or start of a drop, of a fall. Okay? Most of you know the war actually in the Middle East, the war between Russia and Ukraine, the tension between China and Taiwan. So worldwide, the situation actually is not stable. Okay, so that's why gold was pushing to the upside, plus all the other, I would say, geopolitics situations. So if I go to the 1 hour again for gold, just to show you something which is very, very important, look at this one. After this complete corrective structure, most of you know the structure, yeah, we have covered anyway before. So this is actually was a contracting flat. We've got this trap, contracting flat, and drop. This was a complete structure. All traders, they know that. If I had everything here, look at this. This is a contracting flat, again, and if I change the color for you, drop, corrective structure, drop. Those of you who are not aware what I'm drawing, this guy's weighted wave ounces concept. It's very important. It's very successful as well. And once you master it, you will be able to know where the market is going next. Okay, with a high probability chance. All right. So for this one, after that, we knew from here that market will push to the upside to break this top. Okay. So we've got this up wave, corrective structure here, up, drop. This was an expanding flat, just to let you know, because I have something in mind actually. That's why I'm saying all of this. After that, we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, and we've got at this level, all-time high. So this might be the last wave of the structure at the moment, starting from here and ending here. All right. After that, we've got the initial drop, which was here, and then a corrective structure. And I want all of you to see this, by the way. Look at this one. If I go to this one here, I hope all of you can see actually 2760. Let me just make this one. Look at this. This is 2760, guys, as you can see here, all right? And this level has given before the NFP. So if I go back to this one, look at this. This was actually here. As you can see, 1st of November at 13. So if I go to this one here, look at this. This was actually the update given yesterday by T to our community. And you can read it here and you can see what we have said and look at the levels, all right? So we have this one here, NFA update, and read this one. Between 2760 to 2715. Look at this one, guys. Look at the accuracy of the numbers. That's why it's very important, guys, to surround yourself with successful traders, with successful actually community. All right. This anyway, the daily sessions. But look at this one, 2760 to 2715. And look at this one more drop before the upside. Of course, this can change regarding the upside, but just saying, look at this one, corrective structure, 2760. And then from here, we've got the reaction to the downside. Imagine getting these levels, getting into the trade, and this is not a small trade, by the way, for gold, right? Most of you know that. So we've got this corrective structure and drop. What's next? Looks like market will be falling more. And then under this low, and this low, we will see how the market will behave next. If dollar will actually go to the upside, that doesn't mean gold cannot go to the upside, because this can simply be a corrective structure and then one will push up before the next fall. All right. In all the cases, for this one, we were in the sell. We've got into this sell setup, corrective structure sell. And now after this drop, if we get a buy setup here, we'll see how the market will behave after. Okay. Now, in this one, if we get this drop and we get a corrective structure, this way we'll look for sells again. Make sense? Just to explain you regarding the gold, regarding the bias, regarding the direction. We are at all-time high. If you ask me personally, I will not be happy to buy gold before a complete corrective structure. Alan, what do you mean by a complete corrective structure? A wave similar to this one. If I don't have a complete corrective structure similar to this one, I will not be buying gold, or I'll not be happy actually to put my money and invest it in gold to the upside. Make sense? So for this one, if you were actually investing in gold, make sure to take partial profits or sell some of your investments, because it's at all-time high and anytime market can fall. Make sense, guys? So if you ask me personally, this will be falling. We're into the sell, and if we get a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. Until or unless we get a corrective structure similar to this one, no buy setups for gold. If you get a drop here and then a buy setup and you want to go for it, you can try this one, but be very careful with this buy setup because it can be just a short-term move. Okay? Again, the details regarding the levels, will this be one of our trades of the week or not? All of this will be covered inside the Sunday session by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss it because this is very important. Aussie dollar for this one is like all the other majors. We can get one more fall. This might be a massive structure, one more drop before the next upwave. Okay? Which wave to trade is up to you. New Zealand dollar for this one is the same as well. We can get this drop, breaking this low, and the market will start to push to the upside after that. Of course, this can fall more, guys, all right? So if I go to the 4 hours, this can fall more. But what I'm saying is this drop, it will give us a pullback to the upside, I would say with high probability chance, okay? Now, depending on the US elections, if dollar will be so strong to push up to 110, then this will be falling hard to break this low, and this low as well, okay? If you are in this sell, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. Dollar yen for this one, market might go to the upside. Again, this is a complete structure for now. Market can come to the upside to break this top, make some massive structures, and then fall after. Regarding this one, I'll be looking for the sell setups. Of course, you have to follow day-to-day basis, all right? Daily sessions. Follow our daily sessions, guys, because the structure can change. And I don't want you to follow blindly, guys, because you might lose your account if you trade the wrong way. And if you follow us blindly and market go in the other direction, you'll be losing big. Don't do that. Do not be actually, I believe most of you are actually smart enough to know what is best for you. And I can tell you, the best thing to do is to invest in yourself first. Get the knowledge, practice, get that for you actually, because once you get the knowledge, guys, no one can take it from you. That's actually something for you for life, and you can even give it to your kids later. You get me? So for this one, up, if we get a sell setup, we can go for it. And if you want to go for the buy, make sure to get in, and as soon as you get profits, get out. That's why I'm saying it's actually short-term trades. This week is about short-term trades. The next few days before the Wednesday update is short-term trades, okay? Because after Wednesday, market will be changing. Dollar Swiss is the same thing. Market is pushing the upside. Corrective structural push up is very possible before the next up if market be going to the downside. First move is towards the upside for Dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD for this one, market went all the way up and you broke this top. All right, you know that breaking this top was actually one of our trades to the upside. So after market gave us this corrective structure, one more drop, we broke this top, and then all the way up impulsively and we broke this top. What's next? If we get a corrective structure, I'll push up before the next fall. All right, that's what I can see for Dollar CAD. If we go to the daily, just to show you, this is the structure now, guys. We are here in this structure. We get this drop up, this is a corrective structure, and this is the next upwave. This upwave, of course, it can go higher, and then after that, we'll get another drop. Again, regarding the levels will be shared by T during the Sunday session to know actually the target, to know the entries, and to know the reaction levels as well. But the reaction for this one, first thing first, is towards the upside. Again, of course, I'm repeating, we have the CAD news next week, we have the dollar news, we have the Fed rate, and we have the US elections. All right? Yes, all for this one. Market went to the upside, corrective structure up, and then we got this drop, correction drop, and market pushing to the upside. This might be a trend continuation trade. If we get a corrective structure here, one push up will be coming. All right? So for me, US all, I'm looking for the buy setups after a complete corrective structure, and this might be a good trade as well. Bitcoin. This was crazy, guys. Yeah? So as you can see, market pushed to the upside, and it kept moving up and up. From here, we said this is a protected low, and after market breaking this one here, this was the protected low here. Again, this is a big topic. It's covered inside the Q&A sessions. So those of you who don't know, those who will join WW Pro membership, you'll get access to the Q&A sessions archives. These Q&A session archives are the advanced part of Weighted Waves concept, okay? So on this one, as you can see, all the monthly Q&A session live that I do, you'll see the recording is here inside the dashboard. And every single, I would say, session, it have a topic. And these topics, guys, are very, very important. You should not miss them, all right? Because, again, you can read the topics here. You can read the description about the topics. You know what is covered inside, okay? The advanced part, again, of Weighted Waves concept is inside the monthly Q&A session. that you will get access to the archive as soon as you join WW Pro. So for this one, from here we're saying market is bullish. I am bullish regarding Bitcoin, market push to the upside, and only we are looking for buy setups. If you remember that, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. So after this up wave, we've got a corrective structure here. We've got this up move. This was a perfect crystal clear corrective structure for us, and from here a lot of members get into the buy. After this up wave, market gave us small corrective structure and push back up, and you remember 70 level mentioned as well during our sessions. Okay, so Alan, that was perfect. It's really good. What's next? If Trump will win, you will see Bitcoin pushing higher. In all the cases, I'm expecting, if regardless of the US elections results, cryptocurrencies will push higher. Okay, again, but like I'm saying, if Trump will win, you will see cryptocurrencies pushing higher. So most probably we'll get a corrective structure here, one more drop, and then another push up for Bitcoin. I'm bullish. Any corrective structure is a buy opportunity. If you are not in, make sure to trade, I would say, risk wisely, because you are at all-time high. And if this will be correcting deeply for any reason, I don't want you to lose your account. Okay, so it's very important, guys, to know how to invest wisely as well. All right, that's again a different topic. It's a big topic internally. We can discuss it probably next during the next live Q&A session regarding investment, because if you are making money from trading, you have to invest some. All right, and that's very important to build your passive income money-making machine for later. Okay, that's something, again, those of you who are successful in trading, they know what I'm talking about. If you are making money from trading, you have to invest most of your money. All of you are still watching till the end. As usual, I give some advanced part, some more explanations regarding that. So if you are still watching till the end, guys, make sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And I'll give you again more advice regarding that part. Most of you know that we are making money from trading, right? And we have shown you this one more than once and more than one proof inside, on YouTube. We are trading for investors as well, and we are making money from that. So most of our money, we are investing it. Real estate and a lot of other investments as well we are doing on parallel, okay? Why real estate? Because real estate, guys, especially in Dubai, is very, very important. And just I want to mention something. It's advanced tip again for those of you who are interested in investing only, all right? You can invest in real estate, you can invest in funds, you can invest in anything you do the research about. But investing is a must for all of you who are making money from trading, okay? Why it's important? Because this is how you'll build the money-making machine. Of course, market can pull back, can drop, but it's anyway an uptrend. So real estate is always an uptrend. Also, as you can see, S&P 500 and a lot of other ETFs and funds and mutual funds, this topic again is complicated and it's very, very important. If you want to know more details about that, you can join WW Pro and you can get all these regarding this as well during the next live Q&A session. Okay, I'm repeating, we have a big team working in real estate, a company actually in Dubai regarding real estate, and they can look after the best opportunities. That's why we are investing there heavily. Okay, so of course in other countries as well, but just saying, why Dubai? Everything is inside WW Pro anyway once you join. So for Bitcoin, this is a corrective structure, and then up again, this is what we can see next for Bitcoin. UF30 for this one, market actually went to the upside. We've got all the structures and we've got this trap. Technically speaking, we can get one push up here for UF30 before the next trap. Okay, so if we get this up wave, the market might be falling after. This an uptrend, this an up wave here, this a corrective structure up, and then this trap. The only way where this will change actually the structure is if we get a corrective structure here, one more fall will be coming. Okay, if we go to the daily and the weekly, look, we are at 42K at the moment. And this is an uptrend with all these structures in between. Let me just show you the structures. Again, guys, if you are still watching till the end, make sure to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you can watch from more than one device, this will be appreciated because YouTube will actually know that this is actually an important forecast, so he will show it to more traders. Okay, so for this one, we've got this up wave, corrective structure here, up, pull back. This actually the structure in the middle anyway. This is running flat. Those of you who don't know, this is running flat. We've got this up wave, running flat, up, another here, corrective structure drop, up, corrective structure here, and then up wave. After that, one more fall will be coming here to complete this structure. Okay, again, starting from this point, this is an uptrend. We have this up wave, corrective structure, this up wave, corrective structure, and one push up is very possible before the next move. Which way to trade is up to you. The details regarding the levels, the details regarding the trade of the week, and also the trade of the month will be covered by T during the Sunday session that will be conducted tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. With that note, guys, I hope you trade with care. Like I said, next week, the next few days is short-term trades. And if you'd like to join us, you know how to do that. And we are more than welcome, guys, to join Weighted Waves. We are the best. Thank you very much, guys. You trade with care.